All right, people. So welcome again, people. Thank you very much for joining. This is MG Sports TV. Yeah, MG. Yeah. So big up on yourself, people. This is actually not breaking news technically. So most of you guys already know that games were scheduled for today. Apparently those games are also off. The games that I'm talking about are the Money Cup games. So both games, both the Casa Cup second round or round of 16 and also Manning Cup second round games will be played on Saturday. Very unfortunate because it's. Let me explain to you, people. For me personally, I wanted to go to a Manning Cup game before the Dakar Cup second round games kicks off. I really wanted to do that. And let me tell you why. No, the Casa Cup round of 16 kicker. Because I want to keep it balanced. I want to keep my same tradition of Manning Cup and the Casa Cup. I wanted to keep that. That's what I wanted. Unfortunately, that won't be able to happen now. Now, the decision now is which game should I attend? The Manning Cup second round or the Casa Cup round of 16? Or should I say group of 16? Because both category for Manning Cup and the Casa Cup, some real good games that play, people. Some really good games. And now, really and truly, it's kind of make it way more difficult now for media coverage. Because, when you have Manning Cup on one day, a lot of media persons can go to the Manning Cup game. Basically, all the games could be able to get coverage because, it's 8 games. 8 games. Some of the games are playing at double games at some particular location. Double headers, I should say. So, full coverage. The Manning Cup games, them can get full coverage. The problem is now, for the Dakar Cup and the Dakar Cup given day, because the games are so far and widespread, you can get almost maximum coverage if there's no other game, if just a strictly Dakar Cup game. No, when you have both Manning Cup and Dakar Cup playing on the same day, that is going to stretch out all resources. For like me, I can't do one place I can't do 2 places at the same time. I can't do that. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get some people to go to other games for me. I already started some IDs for some other people so that they can go to the games for me. It's going to be tough. And then I can just really get information from them and do my posting, get pictures, video clips and those type of stuff. And do my postings. And just keep you guys updated as best as possible. Strictly, the updates will be through the Instagram page. Yeah. Not much updates on YouTube. YouTube is for the review show. But it's very unfortunate. Tough, really tough day. I wonder how they're gonna work that out with, especially the referees. That's gonna be difficult. That has to be difficult. We already know that I think they wanted to do video games and TV games, and obviously they're gonna do that for the Manning Cup. But there's so much quality. The Casa Cup game will be played on the day. So you see, that's it. That's the dilemma that they're in right now. But it's tough. Tough for me. It's tough for me, especially. But so, anyways, people, that's it. They're technically not breaking news, but that's the news of the day. The Manning Cup games for today have been postponed. Them said it's due to the weather, I think, even though the rain not fall today. Then postponed yesterday. Rainfall yesterday. Then they postponed today and the rain fall. It's unfortunate. Maybe they can do something for Friday. Maybe, no know. Anyways, but obviously them done set it for Saturday already. But I say go still. Big up on yourself, people. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. Big up. Boom.